Welcome to Allie in the Valley. I'm Allison Ball Kilmer. Allie in the Valley is a lifestyle blog about healthy, delicious food, all while staying on a budget. Homegrown cooking, down-to-earth living. Welcome back to Allie in the Valley. Today, I'm gonna do something really, really simple, very yummy, and vegetarian. It is vegetarian chili. What's in my vegetarian chili is a lot of yummy vegetables, celery, bell peppers, colorful bell peppers. We want a lot of different bell peppers, onion, which I'll cut up in a minute, garlic, carrots, mushrooms, the beans, okay? The really great beans. You can do red beans, you can do white beans, northern beans, kidney beans, corn, and tomatoes. And that's basically all that's in the chili. It's super simple. Let's get started. Let me dice up all my vegetables. I love peppers. You can use green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, orange peppers, anything you like, but I really like to use the colorful peppers so they look like a rainbow. The onions, you can see, got my eyes. I'm gonna eat a pepper. But fresh peppers, the flavor, it's like, I don't know, it's like heaven. I love peppers. Red peppers are a little bit more, they kind of have a little bit more zesty fiesta flavor to it. So because it's vegetarian, I have to do, a lot of vegetables. So the whole thing, when you're doing turkey chili, the meat takes up a lot of, you have a lot because of the meat. With vegetarian, you have to put a lot of vegetables in it or it won't be vegetarian. All right, now that I've cut up all my gorgeous, look at that bowl. That bowl is fantastic. Beautiful, colorful, healthy. This sounds healthy. So I got my carrots cut up, I got my onions cut up, I got my red bell pepper, my yellow bell pepper, my orange bell pepper, and my celery, my garlic, mushrooms. We're gonna saute all that first, put the seasoning in. We're gonna do some chili powder. We're gonna do oregano, we're gonna do some cumin and some basil, and that's gonna be the base. We're gonna saute all that, and then I'll start building the beans, tomatoes, and corn in there. Simple as that, quick, easy, besides the cutting up. That takes a minute. Okay, let's get over here and do it. All right, olive oil. Yep. Just coat the pan, the bottom, so everything can saute. And honestly, a lot of people just put their onions in first and their garlic in first. You can do that, but it's one pot. I'm throwing it all in. Garlic. All right. Now I'm gonna put some more olive oil on top, just to make sure all the vegetables are coated. And we're gonna let these saute for about 10 minutes. That is beautiful. That looks like a rainbow of health. So I'm gonna put in about a tablespoon of chili powder while the vegetables are sauteing. All right, next, we're just gonna put any type of mushrooms you love. Mushrooms go in. I did say this was vegan chili, didn't I? Mm-hmm. Now that all the vegetables have sauteed and they have these beautiful juices, I just start adding it in my canned goods. So I'm gonna do 2 cans of tomatoes, diced tomatoes with basil, garlic, oregano. And I'm keeping them with the juices because those become my juices for my vegan chili, vegetarian chili. So 2 of these, okay. Kidney beans, I'm keeping the juice. Northern beans, how's that? They just beans, whatever you want. So honestly, you can put any kind of beans you really, really want. I like lots of beans. Beans are so good for you. They're so healthy for you. Really tasty. And this is like really inexpensive to make. Pinto beans. This whole meal has probably cost me $10 to make, if that. Maybe, yeah, about $10. So great for when you're trying to feed a crowd, you know? Okay. The only thing that I did drain is I drained the corn. So the corn has been drained. And we're gonna let this sit on this simmer for 20 minutes, 20, 30 minutes. Once everything's mixed, I'm gonna mix everything. I'm gonna put some cumin in. I actually love cumin. Cumin is actually one of my favorite seasonings. Some oregano and some basil. And then I'm going to let this get up to a simmer for 20 minutes, and then we'll be ready for our vegetarian chili. Okay, so my vegetarian chili is ready. It's a big pot of it. Normally I would bring the pot over so you could see it, but I filled it up so much with so many beans that I kind of gonna have to go back and forth, so go with me. I'm super excited because I'm really hungry, and so is my crew. All right, so look at this. This is a beautiful pot of healthy, yummy vegetarian chili. And it's gonna be really hot, so bear with me here. All right, my kids love this. They don't even notice that meat's not in here. So, vegetarian chili. Now, you can always put whatever you want on top of it. I love avocados, obviously. I'm always doing an avocado dish or guacamole or whatever because I love avocados. So I'm gonna put a little bit of avocado in there. You know, a little cheese. If you want to keep it vegetarian, no cheese. A little cheese or vegan cheese. And I just love a little bit of lime juice, you know what I mean? So I don't have to put salt. I did put salt on the side because some people want salt. You know, I didn't really put too much salt in here. So, but if you want salt, you can have salt. A little bit of salt ain't gonna kill nobody. All right, let's taste it. I'm excited. I haven't made this in a while, so I am super excited. Look at that. Woo! Yummy. I love chili. I love regular chili too. This is gonna be hot. You know what's so good? The tomatoes really kick in, the beans, the corn. Oh, this is really good. And the lime juice gave it a little bit of kick. So here you go. You know where to get the recipes. AllieInTheValley.com. If you like this recipe, don't forget, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe. Every week, a new video. Vegetarian chili, Allie in the Valley. So good, everyone will love it.